Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Here today to show you folks the Boston Whaler 33 Outrage in Abaco Blue. Absolutely beautiful boat. Big hard top on it with radar on it. The lines are absolutely gorgeous. It's powered by the twin Mercury Verado 300s. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 33 Outrage. Let's start at the back. If you're just going for a ride, nice comfortable seating here. If you want to fish for the day, you just pop that up. Let you be done. Big live well right here. And then around this side, you've got the dive door. Fantastic for all kinds of things. Bringing the fish on board, getting on and off the boat. It's just a great, great option. Real comfortable opposing seating here, and also another large live well, so plenty of room for bait. As we move forward to the helm area, you can see we've got the true Ray Marine. You got the large screens here, so duplication fantastic because you have the radar on it. And you also have the joystick. The joystick is fantastic. I can dock the boat going sideways. Any conditions, I can dock the boat. Also has skyhook, keeps me in one place as long as I want it, which is fantastic. And it also has the auto heading, which is autopilot. Let's move to the bow. We've got plenty of room up here. You've got a really nice, comfortable sun pad. You can put 2 or 3 adults up here, and you also have very, very comfortable, very large storage. You also have a sun screen that covers this whole bow area. So if you don't want the sun, you can close it up. It's nicely fishing rod storage inside as well. Nice comfortable seating. You've got a recessed windlass. So the boat just really does everything. It handles the big water fantastic. You can take it anywhere. So if you have any questions or would like to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.